guys, early cut nga pala. Nakipag 1v1 yung kaibigan ko dito pero di niya sinabi kung anong hero pero okay lang yan dahil malakas naman ako eh. At dahil pinatay mo ako, matitikman mo ang galit ng isang pusa. Okay guys, tama na ang daldal. I-start na natin.
Don't follow me, go away, away. You thought you had me love, but I see right through your lies. I tired of all your dilemma. Oh baby, I don't waste all your tries. You keep on saying sorry, but you walk on me, sing, sing, sing. You play me like a fool, but no anymore. You let me issue your game. I'm talking about my power, can't control me. If you don't hurry up, bye. I don't need you anymore. Don't come back, knocking on my door. I'm sick of it. I don't need you anymore.